Hey guys, what's
That butt.
You guys, I have this new backdrop and Yoshi is literally don't mind her. She loves like death, so that is like prime real estate for her. Guys, today we're trying on Wish gowns. These videos always go all types of different directions for us.
We either love it or
Yeah, it's either shockingly good or just like shockingly way worse than we ever expected. We have 6 dresses today, by the way.
I'm excited.
Okay, good.
I love these videos. I love filming these.
She does. I do. To an extent.
Alright.
Also, shout out to Tommy Johns for partnering with me for today's video. I'm actually wearing the sports bra. I'm like, reveal. Reveal. Here, feel it.
Ooh,
Yeah,
that's
it's nice.
Ooh,
It even
it
has
feels nice.
padding.
Oh, this feels nice.
Yeah, it's really soft.
Oh, I like that.
I love it. Tommy Johns has a lot of amazing clothing items, loungewear, sports bras, even thermal wear. For me, especially this year and last year, I live in loungewear.
Only thing she wears.
It's all I wear. This is ideal for me. So I rarely wear a bra with wiring in it anymore. Just because, guys, I ain't going nowhere, okay? I do all my work from home or I go up to my offices and work, and I normally wear like something kind of like this situation, you know?
Exactly like that.
This is like my uniform. For me, I'm always looking for not a really comfortable but somewhat uplifting sports bra, and like this one is perfection for that.
I mean, your boobs look great.
They look good, and it also has a little bit of padding. Also, Tommy John's clothing is designed for motion, so it doesn't ride up, twist, and bunch up while you're wearing it, which we love. Yoshi agrees.
That's our agree.
I also really enjoy shopping on their site. I don't know about you if you ever shopped on their site. You're like, if you've ever shopped on their site, but I enjoy shopping on their site because it's a very easy layout. You can really tell how things are going to fit and wear. I also like to mix and match my clothing. So I also have here some like jogger type pants.
Oh, let me see.
Oh, they're
Are
so
you
soft.
joking?
I'm not, and they even come with pockets.
I don't think I would be able to
Obsessed.
take these off.
I know. They're hard to take off. I'm going to try them on for you. We can overlay a clip of me wearing them, but these are fire, and like I would wear these with this sports bra.
Oh, this is her fit right now.
You see? They also have undies, all different kinds of loungewear. But
These
they're
are cute.
Yeah, super, super soft, really cute. I mean, it's just really designed for comfort. I specifically like these. Honey. We're talking comfort here, and they have like a really thin seam in them too, which I like that. Feel how soft
Oh my
they are.
god, those are really nice.
Yeah, it's like shockingly soft, so I'm obsessed. So I really love their loungewear. I highly recommend it to you guys if you're looking for something soft, comfortable to wear, something you can mix and match, and very breathable. Click the link in my description box for 15% off and free shipping on Tommy John's website. Be sure and check that out. And with that being said, guys, we are gonna jump into this wish haul. Be sure and subscribe.
Subscribe. Are you ready?
I'm right. Hey, give me the first dress.
Should we pick and choose?
Yeah.
Oh, Jessica Rabbit vibes.
Sounds like that one's you.
Maybe.
I'm gonna go for this shockingly teal.
This is like a prom dress from early 2000s.
Girl, go off.
It does.
It does. I love the. This is what Tommy John's doesn't do. Do you see this?
Why didn't they cover it?
I don't know. It's like so falling apart already. Look at this. Look at this.
You should have fun with that
I'm
dress.
gonna try this on. I do like the sparkles, but you know. Oh, it has a tutu. It has a tutu.
You know, I think you got the best dress.
Oh my god, I cannot wait to try this on, you guys.
Oh, dust is going everywhere.
All the fishnet. Honey, you're in for a treat today, okay?
Miss LauraLee.
You're in for Aaron, what you got?
Okay. Oh, this is actually cute. This
That's
is cute.
so pretty.
I like this color. I love this color. This
love
is
the
actually
color.
cute.
The color's fire, and I also like the design of the dress isn't bad.
Yeah, it's not bad. Okay.
I think this
I
one's
picked
gonna
out a
look,
good dress.
You did. I think this one's gonna look really cute on you. Does it have the boob pads?
No.
It looks pretty. I also think the back of it's gonna look really pretty.
Yeah, look at that. Look at it.
I love the sparkles. For some reason, when the sequins hit the light, I'm like, okay, I can make that work.
Yeah.
Something about sparkles makes me go, I don't
You
know.
make it work.
What dress do you want to look at next? You want to do this one?
Sure.
All right.
What is this?
Aaron's got a black dress. I'm going to show the red one.
Come on, Jessica Rabbit.
Should I show mine now?
Yep.
Okay, so this one seems to be a little better constructed.
It does. Look at it. It kind of looks nice.
It does kind of look nice.
Like, I wouldn't be upset if I had to wear this.
Come on, Valentine's Day.
Oh! You know what? I know what I'm wearing. This is exactly what I'm
I
wearing.
want you to run down the street in a montage. In this dress.
Can we please?
Yes.
All right. Look,
Yes.
check out my Instagram for that. Oh.
It just has like a design.
Oh, okay.
You see it's like this.
Oh. You know what? I like this. This is a good dress.
I think this could be very pretty. It actually feels like it's made of a really thick, nice material.
Yeah. Oh, that is a huge slit, though. Look at that.
It is. It's like intense.
Scandalous.
Scandals. This by far feels like the nicest dress that we've unboxed so far.
I think so.
I'll try this on. Let's see what you have.
This is a black dress,
Okay.
so I can't really tell.
I like.
Okay.
I like the sequins. Okay.
You
You know,
know-
what? I think this one's gonna.
This
actually
gives
be
me
pretty.
like, you know, like how people, there's like the movies where people like show up to the funeral.
This
and
is
like
literally-
the very most dramatic people. This is the vibes I get from that.
This is so okay. Yeah, I see.
I
What
wouldn't
you mean.
really use this as like a prom dress or anything. Like, I don't know what you
It
would
could
use
be
this
pretty
for.
as a prom dress, though.
I guess it depends on the theme.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I'm not upset about this. I think I'm
think-
being a little bit hateful.
I like that it has this thick double layer because a lot of times with Wish they like slap
Oh.
on that and everything's see through. So
You can see everything.
I know. So I do love that about it.
You know, I think it's an okay dress.
I think it's okay too. All right, so Aaron's gonna try that one on. So we have 2 more dresses to go. Oh my goodness.
Which one are you picking? All right. What did she give me?
I gave her this gift. This one looks like an all-white dress, a wedding dress perhaps.
Girl, she getting married, y'all.
Okay, all I'm seeing is a lot of tulle. Ooh, this
Oh.
is like a wedding gown.
This is it.
You know what? She's not that cute. Aaron's hating. You guys, you can't see the dress.
It's so
So
white.
white. It's like blue white. You can't see it. I want to say this though. Oh my god, it's a lot of tulle.
It's a lot.
Oh, put the muffins in the freezer. It's a lot.
This is, you know,
Questionable. It's questionable.
it's questionable.
I think that the red dress for me is probably going to be like my best bet.
I think the first dress for me. Let me look at this
I don't
one though.
know. I think the black one's kind of good. Okay, let's see.
I don't even think this is a dress.
It's
it
a
is.
YouTube backdrop.
It's a YouTube backdrop. That's what I thought it was. What did you do to me?
Ooh,
Laura.
Look how long.
Oh my god, I'm not this tall. This is coming
I bet
dragging.
it looks bomb on you though.
Okay, maybe.
I bet it looks bomb.
I'm questioning it though. All
Are you?
sequence, head to
Do you
toe,
like the high rise?
head to toe sequence.
What's wrong with that? Throw some glitter on
I'm
it.
a little disco ball over here.
She sure is.
That should be your prom dress.
Yeah, Aaron, pick your prom dress.
Yeah.
Okay, Aaron, so we'll try them on.
Let's go become a disco ball.
We'll try them on and then you're going to pick your favorite and I'll pick my favorite.
All right,
All right.
deal.
See ya at the tryout. My floor right now, excuse me, this first dress, y'all are about to be shook because she is shedding everywhere.
This is the itchiest dress. It also sheds like crazy. Look.
Oh, it looks like dandruff. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. It shouldn't do that. I was telling Laura, imagine if I went to a dance and I came home and there was no sequence.
Girl, the dance floor would look like this. I'm gonna have to vacuum this room again. Like, it's really intense how sheddy it is. I'm a little shook at that. Like, I'm like, is the mess worth the dress? I don't think so.
I definitely don't think so. Also, if I wasn't wearing these shorts right now, would you see
It's
my
so-
underwear?
Yeah, for sure. It's completely see-through.
You know what?
Also, this tulle looks like a mess. It's just a mess.
This dress,
It's a flop.
I thought it was gonna be a good one, but I was wrong.
It literally, I'm a little
I
devastated.
can't put my arms like this or else I'm gonna have scratch marks. I
Oh
literally,
yeah, super uncomfortable because it's got like all the frillies on it.
I can still dance though.
Hey, work. Okay, the back is like really pretty.
Okay, the back looks
But it's the mess that it's making. This isn't like if you sat down in a car, half your dress would be.
I would have to vacuum everywhere I went.
Literally.
Literally.
So this is not it.
Not my favorite.
All right, I'm up next, guys. Trying on the dress. Girl said I look like Hannah Montana.
She look. What is this?
Hannah Montana.
Look at.
I don't know what this is. Is so bad.
I question this.
Okay, listen, first of all, they messed up the zipper. Like, the zipper's supposed to come like down to here, but they sewed the dress up to here so I could barely get it onto my body.
I mean, it was hard for her.
It was hard to get on.
How does it fit though?
It fits pretty good. It feels like trash, to be honest. Like, this feels like the worst material ever.
Oh,
And then this part's like super loose, and then this is super tight. So I'm not sure, like.
oh my God, I didn't even realize this. Look at that.
It's a different pattern. It's just, and then like I have like
Something coming out.
it's falling apart. I don't want to pull it.
The whole dress is gonna fall down.
Karen.
We don't ask what that is.
So I would give this dress a 1 out of 10. It's just terrible.
It also doesn't look good to me.
It doesn't look good.
Like
you can see right through it. The top is ill-fitted. They messed up the zipper. It has strings coming out.
I'm just questioning the whole thing.
Me too. Y'all, this ain't right.
This ain't right.
This ain't right, okay?
This ain't it.
I'm gonna try on another dress because it's gotta be better than this. Here it looks really beautiful.
It does.
It's like shockingly beautiful, and it does not shed at all.
Look,
Nothing.
This dress is so much better than the first one.
Wow.
Also, the sleeves are like sequins, but it's not that bad. Like,
Yeah.
it doesn't feel that bad.
Not too itchy.
I also like the cape.
So here's the only thing we see wrong with this dress. If you are Erin's height, which is
5'6", 5'7".
the dress hits a it hits a really awkward.
I look so weird.
You look cute from like here,
Thank
and then like there, it just hit. I can't even imagine with heels.
you. Even with heels, it would just look
It was
awkward.
so awkward. It's not a good length.
No.
So if you're shouty, I think this dress would look
I feel like
really
with your
beautiful.
height, it would be good.
Give us a spin. You. Erin, my pompous. God. Okay, let me see the back.
The back is actually nice.
It's beautiful.
I think this dress is really good.
If it came down, we need a little more fabric.
We need a little more. Don't be shy. Give some more.
Give some more. But other than that, this dress is pretty. What would you rate it?
I'd say it's a little bit itchy. I give it a 6 out of 10.
All right, we'll take it. We'll take it. Yeah.
Yeah. Miss Jessica Rabbit vibes.
This dress is really beautiful. Look how long it is.
Oh.
Erin, we should have switched dresses.
Honestly. Look
But
how nice this is. I
fit-
actually love this. It looks really good.
I think it's really pretty. You know,
Yeah.
it just.
I think this is great.
I mean, the quality feels nice, and
A dress from Wish too. Like, I think this is a good dress.
I do too. The zipper worked. The padding is good. It fits in like the correct areas, if that makes sense.
Wow.
And it's a really
Someone
thick
knew what they were
material.
doing.
Someone knew what they were doing when they made this. Now it is made out of technically like a cheaper material, so you're kind of getting what you pay for. But at least it's like a wearable dress off of Wish. So you know,
Yeah.
Valentine's Day, if you're just going to a Cheesecake Factory, this might be a moment. I'm staying home.
She's staying home, and this is what she's wearing
And this is what I'll be wearing. So
while watching TV on
Game
the
of
couch.
Thrones.
Yeah. You already know the deal. I also like this little piece right here.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Reminds me of a fish.
It reminds me a lot of very fish vibes.
I vibe with it though.
It does fall down a lot because the dress is so heavy.
Yeah.
So you'll be tugging up a lot on this. But I'm gonna rate this dress a better rating. I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10, and I know that's not spectacular. But ideally, just rating this as a gown, I would say 6 out of 10.
Alrighty.
Maybe even 5 out of 10.
Oh, going down.
And then this is just a little weird too.
Yeah, that's extremely weird.
Like this is like, what in the hell? I know it's supposed to go like this,
It's just very
but
weird.
it kind of like just doesn't do that. So it kind of just like, so I think this is what's giving it the 6 out of 10.
Alrighty.
All right, guys, on to the next. We have more shedding for Erin's gold dress. It's like this white fuzz.
We don't know what that is.
So bizarre. It's everywhere. It looks like it snowed in here.
Snow City.
I will say this dress is by far the prettiest.
I think it's the best. I think this is the winner. It looks the best. Look how far down it goes.
Love it.
And it actually feels nice. Even
Yeah.
though this is a dress, like all sequins, it has like this silky material and it's
Oh,
like
on the
really,
inside?
really nice.
Love it. Give us a spin. Wow, look at that. This dress is pretty spectacular.
think it's the winner.
I
know,
think
like
by
it's not
far.
my favorite, but like it's the winner out of all the others.
Like you wouldn't pick this one to wear to prom.
No,
If you had to pick one, which one?
it'd be this one.
Okay.
Look at this.
Yeah, it looks really beautiful. I love all the sequin detailing. It almost looks like it's like dripping wet in gold.
Now that's cool.
Yeah.
It's like scratching my neck. Though.
Yeah, I can see how that would drive me crazy.
But if you just ignore it, you got a good dress, baby.
That's right.
I think it's time to go out on town.
Oh, damn.
On town.
Okay, what would you rate this one?
I'd say, you know what? I'm giving it a 7 out of 10.
Oh,
we're getting up there.
I agree, though.
I think it looks good.
Yeah.
And, you know, I think it fits good. It feels good.
You look like a
good dress.
walking Academy Award.
Don't hype me up like that.
All right, my turn.
Her turn.
So, you know what? This dress isn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. It's like,
It's not well fitted though.
it's not well fitted and like there's like strings coming off of it, which happens. Which is okay. I expect that when it comes to these dresses.
Yeah.
I've definitely tried on much, much worse dresses. Is it my favorite? No, but I don't want to hate on it too much because I feel like deep down in this dress, there's a little bit of quality and love.
You know.
If you search deep, and it's like, it needs to be taken in just a bit right here.
You know, if you can just get a little bit of work done, I think it would actually be a good dress.
It needs to be tailored because see, this is
Like,
kind
look.
of floppy.
Her boob's about to come out.
See, and so if it was tailored and steamed, I feel like it wouldn't be that bad of a dress.
I think it'd be a good dress, to
It
be
just
honest.
needs a little bit of alterations. And I do like it has like a nice thick satiny layer. The tulle is questionable.
There's a lot, and it's not that flowy,
Yeah,
thick
it's kinda
tulle.
like heavy
It's just
tulle. It's just like,
doesn't look the best.
so, and the back is like nice, you know. I'm trying to make this work. I really am trying to be positive about this one and make it happen. So I guess if I had to, I mean, you guys better be rating these dresses in the comments. Like if you had to wear these, what would you rate them? Let us
You better
comment below.
calm it down.
If I had to rate this one,
What's she choosing?
I'm also gonna give it a 6 out of 10 because I
Alright.
think it kind of falls in line with the red dress. It's like things need to be fixed, but it's doable. So yeah, 6 out of 10. What do you think?
I think that's a good number.
Oh,
Good number for the dress. I probably would have went lower, to be honest.
Honestly-
but Laura's being nice.
twerking quality is limited.
Oh, Laura twerking in a wedding dress. Get it on her wedding day. On her wedding day.
All right, guys, that is it for this video. Don't forget to comment down below.
Let us know what you would rate these dresses.
We want to know.
Would you actually wear this?
Would you wear this?
Would you?
Also, don't forget to check out Tommy John's. Click the link in my description for 15% off plus free shipping.
You know you want to.
Happy Valentine's Day to you guys. We love you guys so much, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Guys.